Alright, so if you're in Ghana and you have come across many people using these short codes to buy data bundle, hey, don't fall a victim. These are scams circulating right now in the system. So after I had many calls and messages from many people saying that they bought data bundles using these short codes and they've deducted the amount from their mobile money wallet without giving them the data. So this one was very disturbing to me because there is no way to reach out to the owners of these short codes. Okay, so because of this, I took a step to get to the source of these short codes in the system. So I made a first call to MTN. I relayed the information and then they told me that they are not aware of these short codes and it is not from them. The only thing that they know is that they are using their platform as a mode of payment and then nothing else. Okay, so that is why when you dial the short code and you want to buy data, and then you only do the payment through either your service provider. It could be MTN, it could be Airtel Tigo or Telecel Ghana. Okay, so they take your money from your mobile money wallet and they never give you the data that you purchased. Okay, so now let me tell you why these short codes are from scammers, and they have released a lot of them into the system now that you must be very cautious with. Okay, so don't get me wrong here, I'm not disputing the fact that they could be third-party applications or companies that could resell data from the ISPs to customers. Okay, right, so if that's the case, then they could be a knowing company and maybe they can be into partnership with any of the service providers to retail their data. So in such instances, then it could be well knowing that it could have a customer service that we can reach out to them in case there's an issue to complain to them. But here's the case: you always see the short code but you can't trace it to the owner. There's no way you can get to call them when they've deducted your money and then they've not sent you your data. There is nobody to call. You don't know the owners, they don't have any contact anywhere, they don't have a website, and you cannot trace them. And when you call your service provider, let's say MTN, to complain to them that you bought a data using a short code and then they took money from your mobile money wallet without giving you the data, they cannot help you out because themselves, they only use their platform as a mode of payment and there is nothing they can do to help you. The second reason why I say these are scammers is that now their data offers are unrealistic. Okay, so for example, if there's a company or a third-party application that is into partnership with any of your service providers, let's say MTN, for example, if MTN is selling 3 gig for 10 Ghana cedis and then you go to these short codes and then they are giving you 20 gig for 7 Ghana cedis, you should know that it is unrealistic because what amount are they buying from MTN and what profit are they getting? So this will tell you that these are actually scammers. Now the third fact is that some people are actually going to receive the data that they bought from these short codes. Yes, this is just a bait. Okay, so you're actually going to find people coming into comments of such videos and they are going to say that they have received their data, right? Now you've also seen these messages and you think that you can also go in and then you could be the next victim. Alright, so it's a bit. So they receive a lot of people and they just return a little so that you just keep people coming in. These are scammers. Okay, right, so stay away from these ones. MTN or your service providers do not know of these short codes. Okay, so that is it. So if you are looking forward on your social media, especially TikTok and the rest, and then you see a lot of people making videos about these short codes you can use to buy data, please stay away from it. I can boldly tell you that I've done enough research and I know that these people are not people to trust. They are not legit and then they have no connection with your service providers. Okay, you could be successful today, but the next time they're going to scam you, right? So this is what they do to a lot of people. So what we are going to do now is that please don't disseminate such short codes again, rather preach against them. All right, when you see people making videos about such short codes, please go to the comment section and warn people that look, if you buy this one, they're going to take your money and they're not going to give you your data. It is a scam. This is what, because your service providers are not aware of them. So if there's a registered one, then we will know them and then we will have a customer service that we can reach out to them in case there's any problem, right? For now, if you want to buy data, depending on the ISP that you are using, if you are using MTN, there are well-known short codes for buying MTN data and you can call their customer service to ask them what are the short codes that you can use to buy data from MTN. Okay, if you're using Telecel, Ghana, or Airtel Tigo, the same thing applies. Or you can also visit their website, and then you can have the short codes to buy data from these ISPs. Okay, right? So don't fall a victim to these scammers, because they sit down aloof somewhere and then they're getting a lot of people to scam every day. So please stay away from these short codes. Okay, all right. So if this video helps you, please share this video to many people so that they can stay safe. Okay, all right. So hope to see you next time again, and goodbye.